Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel, and we are at the umbrella factory, the umbrella making factory, and it's called Borsang?
Borsang.
Okay, let's check it out. All right, the paper making. Ah, fantastic. Di mak mak. Very good. Okay, Carp. So there you saw the first part of the production, and then the finishing school, they dry in the sun. Awesome. It's a cool place, guys. Yeah, cool place. This is a recommendation from my from the lady who organises the tours at Top North. I'll try to put some notes about her services, as well as the hotel, which is great, Top North, in the comments or the description section of this video log. But great recommendation, guys. Look at this. Umbrella making centre. Cool. Let's keep rolling. I tell you what, I like those mobile phone covers, but I just got a new one for this phone, so maybe next time. So look at this, guys, a mini museum. You know what, showing my age, but some of that stuff is, you know, certainly the TVs, and you look, that's an old school phone. Look at that. Tell you what, Yamaha turnstiles. Of course, vinyl's coming back into fashion, or has come back into fashion, let's be honest. I had a Sony little stacker radio cassette just like that in the 80s. So, you know, you've got a mini museum with real life action, art making, umbrella making, paper making, mobile phone cover artwork. This is a cool place, guys. It's a cool place. And look, there's some tourists running through now, and correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe they are by and large Chinese tourists. Haven't seen any other Caucasians this morning here other than yours truly. Yeah, guys, what a cool spot. What a cool spot. Borsang umbrella making centre, museum, arts and crafts. This is well worth checking out if you're in Chiang Mai, guys. So folks, what I'm liking is you've got factory direct retail out the back there. You know, you can actually have a custom ordered mobile phone cover, as I was chatting to a couple of Chinese tourists who were getting that done. But you've also got, you know, standard kind of retail operations here as well, guys. It's there's a lot of stuff to look at if you want to buy, that's for sure. That's for sure. What a magic spot. Look at this place. Wow. Isn't it good when you get a recommendation from one of the locals when you're visiting an area that you don't know so well? Generally it pays to follow the advice of the locals, I find. So there you go, guys, Borsang umbrella making centre, Chiang Mai. Well, little beauty of a place. Check this out if you're in Chiang Mai for a few days, guys. Cheers for watching Coffee Chill TV. See you next time.